you're anything like me and want to play with your old toys again, but they're broken, stick around because today we're going to fix the motors to this Robotix modular building system. Okay, these are the Robotix motors. The R1000 series came with 2 motors and neither one of them were working. So first thing we're going to do is just do a little troubleshooting to make sure we're getting power to the motors, and then we're going to take them apart and fix them. So this is the power module controller, or whatever you want to call it. There is 4 C batteries inside, and I did check those first to make sure they're working. So first thing I'm going to do is just to make sure there is power actually coming out of it. So here you see one direction we've got a positive 3.2 volts and the other way a negative 3.2 volts. So I just go ahead and check both sides to make sure they have power. And next we have the power cords. I just want to make sure there's actually power going through the cord to the motor. So I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to plug them both in and just check them really quick to make sure the voltage is actually getting through the cords. And of course we have the same thing, 3 volts and another 3 volts coming out of the other one. But so now we're going to take apart the motor. I picked the side first that does not have the drive gear on it. I figured that's the one that would have the motor and the gears would go through the other side. So we'll take that apart first and we'll see what we have. So there's the motor. You don't have to take it out of the case, but I did because I realized one of the drive shafts came out and I was going to have to rebuild it anyway. So this is what we're going to use, Deoxit. I did spray it off camera. I didn't want to get spray all over the place and ended up flying around anyway because I used too much. But after giving the motor a little flick, you can see it's running. So then we're just going to put that back together and take apart the other side. We only took it apart because one of the drive shafts came out and all the gears came apart. So this is pretty easy to put back together again. There's 3 different size shafts and the gears can obviously only go on the one they fit on. Then it was just a matter of stacking them back up to line them all up correctly. And that's how it looks when it's all done. And you can see it spins freely. So we'll go ahead and put back the other half again and we'll test out the motor. And there they are, both motors work, and as you can see, depending on which direction you flip the switches, it's forward and reverse basically. So it's not really polarity sensitive, but if you plug it in the right way, it'll keep forward and backwards, or however you want to do it. So there you have it, 2 working motors. Next we will try to assemble a robot and see how much fun this actually is. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.